This is how you fix what the government fucked up. Okay? You take your newfangled government gas can, you take all of this, take your spout, okay? You take this and you, right here, throw it in the garbage. Then, you get this. It's currently on Amazon for $14.95. And it is a spout, an extension spout with a reducer to fit into your car's gas can, and it includes a vent as well. You take this and you put this right here on your can. And then this, like I said, is a reducer. This fits in the opening on any car gas can, if that's what you're planning on utilizing it for. And then you get your vent. It's a 1/2-inch vent, okay? And you get a step drill, and you drill it to the point where it reaches a 1/2 inch. Make sure you get all this shit out. You don't let anything fall in there. Afterwards, before you put gas in it, you're gonna vacuum it out just to make sure. And then you take this. We might have to go one more. I might have missed it. Okay. Take your vent, and you press your vent in. And now you have a high flow assault gas can that actually flows gas and doesn't do that collapse, chug thing, and then spit fuel all over the place. And it operates the way that a gas can was intended to. I'll put a link in the description to the spout and vent kit. So check down there for that. But this literally took the running time of this video, which was 3 minutes and change it now at this point. And now you don't have to worry about spilling fuel all over the place all the time.